Hello everyone, this is a demo video made by group 608 for the course SKEE2752 Secondary Electronic Design Laboratory to showcase the fully integrated zebra crossing controller system made in the digital laboratory. Before discussing the utilization of each component, here is a display of the full sequence of the program. As for components, the system uses 6 output elements consisting of 5 LEDs and one 7-segment display. And for input, the system uses 2 push buttons. The 3 bigger LEDs are functioning as vehicles' traffic lights. The green LED will indicate that no pedestrian is crossing and vehicles are allowed to pass. The yellow LED will indicate the transitioning period, and the red LED will alert vehicles to stop and wait for pedestrians to cross the street. The 2 smaller LEDs are to function as the pedestrians' traffic lights. The LED on the right is to show that crossing is not allowed, whilst the LED on the left is to show that pedestrians may now cross the street. The 7-segment will function as a timer, mainly to show a countdown for the transitioning period and for the crossing duration. The specific values for the length of the transitioning period and the crossing duration were chosen based on table 1.1 of the lab sheet that specifically indicates that group 8 should use 2 seconds for the transitioning period and 7 seconds for the crossing duration. As for the inputs, the button on the right will be used to alert the system of a request to cross the street. As for the button on the left, it will function as a reset button, which is typically used to initialize or re-initialize the system as follows. And now, breaking down the full operation, the default and initial state of the system is to show that cars are allowed to pass and pedestrians aren't allowed to cross. A pedestrian will push the button to request to cross the street, and the system will shift into the transitioning period while still showing that pedestrians are not allowed to cross. After the transitioning period, the system will shift into the crossing duration, alerting vehicles to stop and allowing pedestrians to cross the street. The crossing duration will finish and the system will shift back to the default state. Thank you for watching.